just a little over a week after Sandy. Here we are, and it was raining earlier and now it's snowing. A lot of people are still, not able to return to their homes. People are displaced or in shelters or just hunkering down, still without power, without heat. I know that people are really working hard to try and help out, but I can't even think about what it would be like to not have a home right now. I'm just so thankful. That is just fierce winds, and you've got snow just beating down. It's wild. It's wild. You can see it maybe a little bit better. It's hard to focus on it, but there's literally sheets of snow just kind of coming down. Trying to focus on it, but there's just little flurries coming up here, but off in the distance there, it's quite a bit of snow, quite harsh weather, just beating down on the streets, and it's really cold. Right, donate to Red Cross, to FEMA, whatever you can do to help out. There's food drives and all sorts of things, but mostly we just hope that the power will get back on for those areas that are still down. And yeah, donate clothing, keep people warm.